Here I am about to go outside and do some yard work. And I'm back. Wait a minute, is this thing on? That's right, I'm back. And what do you know? We got the first really beautiful day of the year. It's time to do another rim job on the lawn. It's pretty nasty, pretty nasty, pretty crazy, pretty strange. So I'm gonna take the Ego. I got the Ego edger. Gonna edge it, gonna rim it. I think a side lawn that I didn't sign up for is 1,200 feet long, apparently, practically. So yeah, gonna just whoop, and then right back, whoop. There you go. And then after I mow, it's gonna be nice and beautiful. Folks, this video is all about the love of the work. I just like making the videos, and I want to do tool things, outdoorsy, manly things, and getting it done things. Enough of the talking, dispense with that crap, and it's time to do the edging. So there. Look at how sloppy it is. Can't really, can you tell? Look at, can you tell? Just hanging, it's all hanging out. It's kind of crazy, it's kind of nasty. Over there, get that line down there. Gonna make it nice and smooth. Feast your eyes upon this, or don't. I don't care. If you don't want to watch, don't watch. Suck it. I'm gonna do it anyway. That's kind of like a lesson for life, you know. Do what you're gonna do. Do what makes you happy. Be you. Be an individual. And if you don't like it, that's too bad. So there. All right. Time for the work. That's all it takes. A good half the battery. Don't go to the gym before you do it. It's a workout, if I must say. Now I gotta mow I gotta mow that freaking. I'm gonna charge it up, and after I'm done, I'm gonna take my Ego blower, blow the excess into the unfinished part of the neighborhood. Responsible. I know gas looks delicious, but folks, don't drink it. The more you know, eh? It's a Honda mower, Honda with smart drive. Smart drive, is that what that guy with that electric freaking Mini Cooper has? Is that smart drive? I don't know. Probably got some cool word for it. Fancy vehicle. Electric Mini Cooper. Huh. So once again, don't drink the gas. That's bad. It's got blade control. You know what I mean? Kind of like that Blade. What's that movie with that one guy in it? Was it Samuel L. Jackson? He was a vampire and he fought people. The Blade movie. Blade? I think that's what it was. Or was that Blade Runner? I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna whip up a I got my wheel air, but I've got my air cleaner. I overlap it. I use the inside line, the air cleaner. I line that up and try to follow that and keep that in line with the wheel so that I don't have anything I don't hit. I kind of overlap a little bit. Nobody's gonna comment. I've asked for it. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you hate, tell me what you love. Nobody does, so. But seriously, like, comment, subscribe. Like it, don't like it. Tell me what I'm doing wrong. I dare you. That's about all you can see due to the rules of secrecy and paranoia. We're back. Am I in this? Hi, jokes aside. So, look at this, folks. Gotta clean the treasures left by the shame nines. And then I can mow this. And as soon as I get string trimmer situation back, I'm gonna be able to do a proper edge on this because I don't have yet that situation sorted out. I've either got to put a new cartridge in my Makita string trimmer or restring it. I think I have some string. I'm gonna see what's easier and to do that so I can string it. So what I'm going to do is take my little Makita trimmers to around by the plants or by the trees up front and make it look semi-presentable for the neighbors. We have a native lady across the street. Nice. So I'm feeling the pressure. Yeah, so there you have it. That's pretty much gonna be it for the mowing portion of this wonderful party. Oh, I think my lady friend is coming out to clean the treasures up, so. What do you guys call them? Droppings? Doggy deposit? I don't know. Anyway, that's that. So get out there, do your yard. Subscribe if you don't hate me. Maybe subscribe if you do. You can hate on me. We can hate each other. Bye.